Alright, hi everyone. This is a bit of another one of those surprise reviews. I was out at Five Below and I saw these. These are remote control Rex and Slinky dogs. They're made by same people that made those cheap-ass Buzz figures, the remote control Buzz ones. Except these are a little bit more expensive. They're $10 over 5. And yeah, I bought them, obviously. And yeah, so I guess I'll just start with Rex. Here he is! His head can rotate, there's some minimal detailing. Again, the paint here is like a spray paint kind. It feels very rough to the touch. This one doesn't because it's kind of a little bit better, but this one does feel. You can see the paint is literally spritzed onto it. Arms also rotate, quite nicely actually. I feel pretty decent. Legs are, they have the toes have like separate pieces here, and then you can see the wheels there. So the bottom cover information. And the tail, which can come off. And then there's the on and off switch, which I'll show eventually. And then Slinky, the Slinky obviously is nothing, it's just a solid plastic thing. The batteries go in there. And the feet are hollow. And the tail actually has, this tail bit here is made of a rubber material, so it feels a lot like different from this, which is like a softer plastic. Actually, oh, it's the same material. This is just spray painted. And then the ears are the same material as the tail. You can see it's very thick. There's like a paint splatter there. There's his eyes. There's a nice little seam going right through his face. Other thing there in his mouth. So, these are the remotes that come with them. You'll recognize these because they're used all over Five Below. There's the one that goes with Slinky. Slinky only moves forward, Rex moves forwards and backwards. And Rex actually has a different, like, power. He takes, like, half the power. This is 27, this is 49. Not half the power, but you get what I mean. It's a lot more. So I'll turn them on. Their on and off switch on Slinky is here. And Rex, who is his tail. There we go. So Slinky should just work. So he actually walks quite well. Like, this is really surprising for me, coming from Buzz, which did not work at all. Slinky, on the contrary, actually walks, like, shockingly decently. He works. Rex, he walks forwards and he walks backwards. You can see there's, like, he kind of turns, and occasionally, he'll, like, just keep turning. But, like, it's pretty solid movement, all things considered, especially compared to Buzz. I'm just thinking here. Rex actually, I think he works a little bit better on the carpet, because I was having him on hardwood and he didn't really work that well. See, I'm actually pretty surprised with these figures. Like, I was expecting for these to be awful and like not work at all and just be complete garbage, but they look decent, and they work as they should, which is just like, I mean, they feel like crap, they feel really cheap, obviously, but like that's what $10 is gonna get you for something like this. But yeah, like, these are pretty decent little things. But that's it. Like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you later.